She is the box office queen, magkasunod na pelikula. Ang tanong ko lang, sabi ko in retrospect, if that movie, Hello, Love, Goodbye, were offered to you, tatanggapin mo?
In-offer naman sa akin yung tuboy.
Ah, talaga?
Yeah. Yeah, sa amin naman talaga originally.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry, I didn't know.
Yeah,
Ba't hindi mo
originally,
tinanggap?
dapat yun para sa amin.
Oo.
I just think it was time to, yun ang pag-usapan namin after House of Us. Na papahinga muna kami dalawa.
As a love team?
Yeah.
Galing.
Originally, Liz Ken yan eh. Oo, Liz
Catherine
Ken.
Alden?
Oo, Liz
Kasi bakit sila? Actually, ang nag-suggest nito si Inang and Roxy. Pero bago po yun, matagal na proseso, Manay Eds. Kasi, syempre, kwento-kwento muna. Sinabi sa akin yung kwento. Finally, nagustuhan ko. And basically, the kwento is about two strangers. So, sabi namin, who would best fit the role for Catherine? Parang wala kaming maisip na taga-ABS kasi I think Catherine has worked with them. So, mas maganda kung fresh. So, Inang, brilliantly, and Roxy thought of Alden. Ako na-excite right away kasi una, posible pala yon. Kasi alam naman natin, di ba, yung tawid bakod na ganyan, di ba? So, natuwa akong pwede. Natuwa ako kasi hindi ko alam ano ang ibibigay ng tandem nila. It excited me.